You can customize various features in your 3 or 4-lane Atlantis cafe. To change the amount of powder dispensed per cup, press the stop button for 3 seconds. You are now in programming mode. The display will show Premix 1, 3.75. To increase the amount of powder dispensed for the drink in canister 1, press Bev 1. To decrease it, press Bev 2. Don't forget to save your changes. To do the same for canister 2, enter programming mode and press the stop button repeatedly till the display shows Premix 2, 3.75. Now repeat the above procedure and do it similarly for canisters 3 and 4. To change the amount of water in every cup, enter the programming mode by keeping stop pressed for 3 seconds. Now press stop repeatedly till the display shows Water 1. You can change the quantity of water dispensed for drink 1 by pressing Bev 1. Press Bev 2 to decrease it. Don't forget to save your changes. To do the same for water dispensed for beverage 2, enter programming mode and press the stop button repeatedly till the display shows Water 2. Now repeat the above procedure and do it similarly for beverages 3 and 4. To change the temperature of the water, enter the programming mode by keeping stop pressed for 3 seconds. Press stop repeatedly till the display shows temperature 88. You can adjust this by pressing Bev 1 to increase it. Press Bev 2 to decrease it. Don't forget to save